just thrive.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Should we go for just a little walk down to the lake? It's a brisk morning,
Do I need my jacket?
but the sun is out. Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
But no wind this morning. Hardly any wind. Just a very light breeze.
It is much cooler out here. Nice and warm in our camper with the sun shining on it.
And it looks like the fog has lifted.
Oh wow. It doesn't cease to surprise me how beautiful this is. What is this flying around us?
Black flies.
No, are they really?
Based on the insect's appearance, it's saying it's a midge, non-biting midge.
Non-biting. That's why they're not biting us.
Mosquito-like silhouette.
Which is why we thought they were mosquitoes.
All right, back to the camper. Off to Munising. Just parking here for the Pictured Rocks boat tour. We have, I think, a little bit over an hour and a half. We're a little early, but we're just going to do some lunch here. Parking isn't really too much of a problem. There's two big parking lots, and then there's a lot of parking on the street right here. So with our size camper, we can fit in pretty easily. We just got a nicer view here out the window for our lunch.
I don't buy it.
All right, you ready for the trip?
Underneath the sky so blue, where the waves dance calling me and you, Lake Superior whispers soft and clear. In the heart of nature we lose all fear. Pictured rocks stand tall in their grace, colors of sunset, a magical place. With the breeze in our hair and the sun on our face, we're lost in the moment, no time to waste. Take me down by the shore, let's explore. Waves of superior calling, can't ignore. With every splash we feel so alive in this paradise. We just thrive.
So what'd you think?
Oh, it was wonderful. I really, really liked it. I mean, I love all the topography of the lake, so it's so fun to see. And see the painted, how water comes down and changes the color of the rock. Very, very, very cool. And all the formations that the rocks make.
Everybody rushed to go outside, up the highest level outside, but as soon as the boat started going, everybody rushed into the inside part. And actually it was pretty nice. You could open the window
Yeah.
and you could still, you know, film out and see everything that you wanted to see. So I think it was probably worth just being inside, just for the comfort. We kind of overdressed. It was pretty cold out there, but inside the thing it was comfortable. All right, we are all set to go. 6-minute drive to Munising Tourist Campground. this setup. It's pretty nice. It's right on the lake. Again, this is a tradition for this trip. Just like the other ones though, we have the pedestal for the electric quite a distance. And then we have the water way down by the road, so I just filled up with water before we backed in. And then
we moved the picnic table.
yeah, they said that we could park however we wanted here, as long as we didn't go into the long grass, so pretty nice spot. Oof, midges. Now we know what they are.
Feels like our own little private part of the beach.
Yeah, it's crazy. And so begins another feast by slicing the unsliced buns. We buy them not because we like them, but because it's tradition. It's just burgers tonight with some corn. So it's pretty simple, but you can't really beat the view.
No, that's for sure.
We've got a 5-star restaurant here, despite the burgers. Good morning.
Good morning.
Checkout is 11 o'clock, so we're gonna head on out, and we've got a long drive today, about 4 hours. Not that long, but
Yeah, not too bad.
we have a site that we're gonna try to visit in kind of midway through. It's like a little hiking trail, so we'll check that out, and then after that it's gonna be on our way home. So this is an amazing trip.
Yeah.
I would want to do it again if we had more time, spend a little bit more time seeing more sights. We kind of did a quick cursory overview. It's been one of our best trips ever.
It's been
Really
lovely.
enjoyed it.
Really enjoyed it.
So I just tried getting some diesel gas at the last gas station, and it had a very large spout, the diesel nozzle, and it's designed for the semi trucks, and it doesn't work on this vehicle. It just too much air pressure back, I guess, because it's such a high volume, and I couldn't even trigger it, so I got a gallon in, but that was it. So we finally got to a normal sized car sized diesel, but that seems to work better.
It's weird.
Like, we got
Not enough
cars
room.
that are going to be passing.
There's not enough room for 2 lanes there. But
You have
they've
arrived.
marked it like it's 2 lanes.
The Canyon Falls and Gorge. I'm just going to try to go up to the Canyon Falls. The bug spray worked.
Yep.
We attempted our first attempt and we ran out of there. Yeah. So definitely need bug spray
Definitely.
for this short hike. But we just went to the falls. I guess it continues on from there, but that's all we did. Just gonna have some lunch here and then we'll be on the road and headed to Ashland to spend the night. The next morning, we left Kreher RV Park and made the final drive west into Duluth, Minnesota, officially completing our 1,300-mile Lake Superior Circle Tour. Driving the full loop really puts the sheer scale of this lake into perspective. Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area, so massive that it holds more water than all the other Great Lakes combined, plus 3 more Lake Eries. It contains 10% of the entire planet's surface freshwater, and if you poured it out, it could submerge all of North and South America in a foot of water. Crossing the bridge and seeing the Duluth skyline complete the loop was an awesome feeling. 8 days, 2 countries, incredible provincial and state parks, and some of the most dramatic freshwater scenery in North America, all from the comfort of our LTV. Thank you so much for following along with us on this Lake Superior Circle Tour. Driving all 1,300 miles has been an unforgettable adventure, and we're so glad we could share it with you. If you enjoyed this 4-part series, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next road trip.